let's do that. I'll send you a document, and then if you,
station.